Hello friends, welcome to OptionEdge YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add FlatTrade in OptionEdge. So to add FlatTrade, you need to go to brokers section, and there you can see the available brokers. Okay, currently only Alice Blue and FlatTrade brokers are supported. You click on add FlatTrade option, and then you can see this form where you need to add couple of information like API key, API secret, and user ID. Okay, you can also click on the setup instructions and you can see the steps that you can follow to add the broker. So I'm going to explain these steps for you. Okay. To generate an API key and API secret, you need to go to wall.flattrade.in. Okay, once you logged in your FlatTrade account, you need to go to PI section. When you click on PI, just create on a new API key, give it a name, for example, OE test 2, OptionEdge test 2. Put the same name in the short name section, and then you need to enter redirect URL. To find the redirect URL, go back to OptionEdge, and there you can see the redirect URL. Just copy this redirect URL. Okay. This you redirect URL might be different, okay, because you have installed OptionEdge in your local machine, so this URL will be different for you. So whatever is there, you just copy that URL and go to FlatTrade and paste that redirect URL there and enter some description. I'm just giving it a name test, and then click on I read and agree to the terms, and then create and accept. Okay, once you save the API key and secret, you can see this form. Here, you copy the API key and paste it here, and copy the API secret, copy it and paste it here. Give this broker a name, for example, Flat Trade. Enter your username and save it. When you save it, if you go to brokers, configured brokers, you can see the FlatTrade, which is now configured. The next thing that you need to do is to start the trade engine if you want to do live trades, and you can also start tickers. Okay, but before you start trade engine or ticker, you have to first download the master contracts. To do that, go to default section, select the broker, and then click on download. Now it will download the master contracts for all the contracts that is going to be traded today. Then go back to brokers and click on trade. It will authenticate with your username. So enter the details. Okay, now you can request an OTP, or if you have TOTP configured, you need to enter TOTP information. So I'll enter TOTP and click on login. Now you can see the trade engine is now started. Okay, to start the ticker, click on the ticker start button. Okay, it will take some time. So if feeds are not coming, sometime it happens with FlatTrade, then you just stop the ticker and then click again, and you can see the live feeds. Okay, so now your trade engine and ticker both are coming, and your FlatTrade broker is configured. Okay, to start the trading in the FlatTrade account, you need to click on live button. When you click on the live button, it will take you to the dashboard, and here you can see the option chain for your selected instruments. So currently Nifty is selected, so I can see the option chain for Nifty, and this is the live option chain. And let's say if I want to buy a certain position, I click on that buy button. Okay, the position will be added here, and you can see the payoff graph. If the payoff graph is not coming, you can zoom in or zoom out to see the complete payoff graph. Okay, by default, if there is only one broker added, it will be selected by default. Okay, and then you have to click on live to trade. So if you don't click on live, then you can save this as a draft. If you click on a live and then execute, the position will be executed in your broker account, and then you can see the live PNL on top of here. All right. So that's all how to configure the FlatTrade. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us through email or through our social media platforms. Thank you.